Hello friends, welcome back to Agri Exam. In this video too, we will discuss next 30 questions regarding agronomy. So let's start here. Question number first, legumes they are sensitive to, and the answer is poor aerations. Question number second, excessive tillage reduces, and the answer is infiltration. Excessive tillage reduces infiltration. Question number third, advanced family it is called as, and the answer is Compositae, also known as Asteraceae. Question number fourth, separation of phloem tissue from xylem tissue it is called as ribboning. Ribboning it is the phenomena of separation of phloem tissue from xylem tissue. Next question number fifth, we will see potassium availability to plant is limited by excessive calcium. Next question number 6. Central Plant Protection Training Institute. It is located in Hyderabad. Question number 7. Transport protein. They are myoglobin and hemoglobin. These are the transport proteins. Question number 8. Collagen it is found in, and the answer is muscle protein. Collagen it is found in the muscle protein. Question number 9. Sugar which is found in the germination seed largely. The answer is maltose. Maltose it is the sugar which is found in the germination seed in large quantity. Question number 10. Kaolin is a type of anti-transparent, and the answer is reflecting type. Kaolin it is a type of reflecting type of anti-transparent. Question number 11. Chemical which is used for tomato sauce preservation is, and the answer is sodium benzoate. It is the chemical which is used for the tomato sauce preservation. Question number 12. Higher dose of nitrogen decreases the sucrose content. Okay, the higher dose of nitrogen that decreases the sucrose content. Next question number 13. Amino acid which is deficient in legumes, and the answer is methionine. Methionine it is the amino acid which is deficient in legumes. Question number 14. Stress hardening in plant can be activated by, and the answer is ABA, that is abscisic acid. Question number 15. In difference curve approach would be attributed to, and the answer is Hicks. Next, we will discuss question number 16. The sucrose contained in cane is, the answer is 13 to 24% of sucrose. It is present in sugarcane. Question number 17. The harvesting of paddy is done at the moisture content. The answer is 21 to 23% of when the paddy plant contains at least 21 to 23% of moisture content, at that time harvesting is done. Question number 18. In the tropical climate, dash plants are more productive. The answer is C4 plants. They are most productive in case of tropical climate. Question number 19. Sugarcane is irrigated every dash days during its growing period. The answer is 8 to 12 days. After every 8 to 12 days, the sugarcane is irrigated in its growing period. 20 question. Depth of sowing of soybean seed is, and the answer is 3 cm. At this depth we are sowing the soybean seeds. Question number 21. Yellow dwarf disease of rice it is caused by, and the answer is MLO, and the vector is green leaf hopper. Question number 22. Mass flow is affected by, and the answer is transpiration. So mass flow it is affected by transpiration. Question number 23rd. Purple top roll of potato it is caused by MLO, and here the vector it is leaf hopper. Question number 24th. Flat square symptoms seen in cotton due to, and the answer is spotted bollworm. Question number 25th. Dara cultivation method it is followed in, and the answer is cucurbits. Dara cultivation it is mostly followed in case of cucurbits. 26th question. The irrigation method which is suitable for saline soil is, and the answer is flood method. It is mostly suitable. for saline soils. Question number 27th, art of giving shape to shrubs resembling to figure, it is called as topiary. Question number 28, bench terracing is done when the slope is more than 15% or in the range of 16 to 33%. Question number 29, first discovered bacterial cause for plant disease. It was first discovered by T.J. Burrill in the year 1882 in USA. Last question, maximum arable land in country is, the maximum arable land is present in which country? And the answer is Australia. So this was the 31 liner questions of agronomy. It was our part 11th. For more such videos, stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.